Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat ng gusto magpa-code sa atin, online or personal, and if you want to start, advertise, or improve your business, message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Or if you need speaker for a seminar, message ka lang. Okay, so, you know, everyday maraming news tayong nababasa. Marami tayong napapanood and nakikita sa FB. Dumistansya muna tayo sa FB. I started yesterday, 5 hours. So, ngayon, 3 hours. Dumistansya muna tayo. May break naman yun. Every hour, chinecheck natin yung CP natin kasi nandiyan yung mga transaction natin. Ang dami kasing news na pag pinatulan mo, madadala na yung damdamin mo. Kaya yung mga medyo nakaramdaman na ng lungkot, iwas muna kayo sa mga news, okay? It doesn't necessarily mean naman na wag nating pakialaman. Hindi po yun. Para lang yung damdamin nyo medyo mapayapa ng konti, okay? Hindi naman hindi na nakikialam si Doc. In fact, I launched my 1K drive para sa lahat ng mga frontliners natin. So, if you want to donate 1,000 po or more, kasi may mga delivers tayo, nag-donate ng 2K, 5K. So, maraming salamat. Please message me para sa kanila po yan. Bibili tayo ng mask, alcohol, and the other assistance na pwede natin ibigay. Okay? So, message lang po kayo sa akin. Today, naka-raise na tayo ng 13K yata. Thank you very much po sa inyo. Okay? And, ganun lang kasi ginagawa ni Doc. Nagpipray tayo 9 PM, 9 AM. Then, meron tayong drive na ginawa. Then, at the same time, nagpiprepare na rin tayo para sa better days. Ako naniniwala kasi na tomorrow or maybe next week, next month, everything will be alright. Kasi pinangako ng Panginoon niya, hindi niya tayo pababayaan sa battle na to. Okay? Kasama natin si Lord. Okay? Kaya manatili tayo mag-pray, manatili tayo sa bahay, tumulong tayo sa mga frontliners, kawawa sila. So pag tayo dumami nagkasakit, yung tayo man lang hindi naman nagkakasakit, malaking tulong sa kanila. Alright? Okay, so may mga nagtatanong sa atin sa journey natin. Kasi as I've said before, in 3 years po, 3 years, 3 years nung nagsimula ang bagong buhay natin. That I started this corporate training, my YouTube channel, my other businesses, my partnership with other businesses. So, nag-start lang lahat ng yan in 3 years. So, people are asking me, ano bang naging secret? No. So, I have here 5 traits or 5 traits or skills that kill. That kill talaga, no? So, I mean, that made an impact sa business industry, sa what I'm doing in my community, sa nasasakupan natin, not only sa Bataan, but to our different subscribers, right? So, una, ano ba meron, Doc? Ano bang sikreto? Okay, ang sikreto natin, una, na dapat gusto kong i-share sa inyo, na I think it's a reflection on me. Kanina pa nag-isip ako, sabi ko, ano ba yung secret ko nga ba for how did I made it for the last 3 years na nabago yung buhay natin. Okay? So for those who are preparing for a new life, this after COVID-19, so ito po yung mga traits, my skills. Number 1 is the communication skill. Well, hindi naman ibig sabihin na you need to become a speaker. No, it's communication skill. It helps a lot in my transactions. The term is transactions. That is, how do I transact with my clients? How do I transact with the people? First is, I can deliver very well the message that I wanted to impart to all my subscribers in my YouTube channel. So, yung laman ng isipan ko kung paano ko siya gustong sabihin sa kanila, I can transfer it. Okay, so siguro yung gift ni Lord sa akin because I have a training sa school, 15 years private, 7 years public, so 22 years is I think enough, and plus 1 year sa Manila, 23 years is enough for me. It's enough training to have this good communication skill, so I can transfer my message to my subscribers, and of course, I can transfer my message to all my listeners, to all my audience whenever I have seminars and trainings. So, yun siguro yung isa sa mga advantage or isang trait that kill. Okay? And another is, this communication skill is also a tool for me why I was able to have different clients who now became my business partners. So marami na tayo ngayong business partners. May mga business partners na tayo, may mga ka-transactions na tayo, and now I have my team. Ang team ko sa IMG, I can change team because of these things, because of that communication skill. So that's why I think every business owner or entrepreneur or aspiring business owner should learn the art of speaking, should learn how to communicate. So yan yung isa sa dapat natin matutunan kahit hindi ka mag-speak before the public in a big crowd. But the mere fact you have your business, you have your products, you have your services to sell to other people, you need good communication skill. Okay? So that's why may mga series of trainings tayo. So you can join me, pwedeng one-on-one, pwedeng group. If you want to improve this to get more clients, isa yan sa dapat nating matutunan. Okay? Next, ano yung another trait or skill? Upo lang po tayo Yan po lang po kasi design ng mga camera. Pag-upo lang. Tsaka ng table. Kasi bago yung setup natin. Okay? So, I think the second is being authentic. Being, everything is coming from my heart. As I've said before, I don't have formal coaching, mentoring from other people to become a speaker, to become a vlogger, to become a coach, to become a consultant, to become a writer. So, walang nagturo sa atin yan. So, basically, everything is coming from my heart. Especially when I talk to different people. When I become a speaker, wala naman akong formal schooling for that. So, lahat ng sinasabi ko, it's coming from my heart. Lahat ng experiences ko yon na naipon ng how many years, lahat ng failures, success ni Doc G, yun ang sinasabi ko. So when I'm in front of the people, lahat ng negotiations, lahat ng gusto kong maging terms namin in terms of partnership, in terms of me as you as my clients, lahat na yun is coming from my heart. It's coming from my heart. So very authentic. That's Doc Gigi. It's, kumbaga, from my heart, it's very organic. So, wala yung pinanggalingang different process, different principles. Ngayon lang tayo naka-formulate ng different principles. But when I was just starting, I don't use those principles. It's just coming from my heart, okay? So, as a business owner, use your heart sometimes, okay? Doon sabi nila, don't use your heart, use your mind. Pero, iba kasi galing sa puso mo. Lahat ng sinasabi mo, pag-usap mo sa tao. Kaya nga ako, adjustable lahat My business consultation fee, it's adjustable. My business consultation schedule is adjustable. My topics are adjustable. One time, sa mga minsan, sa mga speaking engagement ko, ito yung topic ko, ito yung gagawin ko. Pero pag nakita ko yung crowd, ito sila, ito yung character nila, ito yung attitude nila. So, nag-change ako. It's coming from my heart. Kahit planado na yung presentation ko, pag nakita ko, it doesn't fit to the crowd. So, I change it. Kung ano yung galing sa puso ko, sasabihin ko. That's why, ito tip sa mga speakers. Make sure you come earlier so that you will have time to gauge your audience. Ano ba sila? Saan sila? Okay? Anong trends? Anong gusto nila? Something like that. Okay? Right. So, be authentic in dealing with your audience, in dealing with people. Right? And the third thing is, yan. So, ito, pinangalan sa akin to, most relatable. Okay? Most relatable. One of my traits siguro is, kaya nga pangalan sa akin, may nag-message lang sa akin, sabi niya, the most relatable wealth coach. Right? The most relatable wealth coach. Yeah. Relatable because I can 100% relate to different people. I understand kung saan sila nagagaling. Mula sa poor, kasi galing ako sa poor Mga middle class, galing din ako sa middle class. Yung mayaman, payaman tayo. Galing, ito, at present, we're getting there. Super yaman, no, not yet. Pero, at least alam natin what will happen. And yun yung path na, hopefully, with God's grace, yun ang gusto natin takin na path. So, I'm relatable. Nakaka-relate ako sa taong nalulungkot. Sa taong sobrang masaya. Sa taong sa kliyente kong sobrang na-stress, sobrang, I understand their behavior. Kaya minsan pag sabihin nila, Dok, nakakaya, okay lang mo umiyak. So I understand your tears. I understand that. Kasi may mga pinanggagalingan din si Doc. May ma-experience din na tayo. It's basically my experiences in life that made me relatable. One time I was talking to Ma'am Mariby, sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, sana pala, nung 30 pa lang ako, naging ganito na ako. Sabi niya, okay lang ng 43 ka, kasi you had enough at 43. You experienced the loop, the cycle. Nabuo mo yung buhay, nag-venture ka sa iba't ibang bagay, nag-failed, may successful things kang nagawa. Tama lang, sakto lang sa experience. Well, I think that's correct. Diba? Kaya tayo nakaka-relate Kaya tayo nakaka-relate sa Islam po natin yung hangin. Kaya tayo nakaka-relate sa mga what's happening to the people, what's happening sa mga clients natin. Kaya ano experiences nila? I understand. Kaya nga yung mga iba nating clients, sa malayo pa lang ako, umiyak na sila. I understand. I can relate. Iba naman, sobrang saya. Isang oras na. Yung excitement pag nakikita ko, I can relate to that type of person. So, be relatable. Okay? Make sure your clients nakaka-relate ka sa behavior or situation ng yung kliyente. That's one of secrets sa mga may business. Okay? Next is, ano pa po? Alright, so listahan tayo dito. Yan. Make sure you are capable to learn every day. Every day I'm learning. Kaya tayo nakatutok sa laptop I read a lot, mga books natin. Now, sinong pinapanood natin ngayon? Dami. Dahil natin pinapanood. I'm watching Francisco, Gesha ni Chinkitan. I'm watching Grant Cardone now. Yan, sunod-sunod na sila. Dunlop. I'm learning. I want to learn. I want to learn new things. So, hindi porke tapos na ako ng PhD, tapos na lahat, no? So, sa lahat din ng mga business owner, learn una skill, knowledge, sa mga kapwa mo business owners, you learn new things. Dapat lagi tayo natututo. Nasa mode of learning ka. Okay? Kahit gano'n ka tayo successful. Di ba? Warren Buffett, hanggang ngayon, nagbabasa. Binabasa ni Warren Buffett, 500 pages a day. Zuckerberg is reading one book in 2 weeks. Sir Harold, the president of and owner of Inspire, is reading one book a week. Boss Sanchez, one time, nag-check-in siya with 30 books. Imagine that. So tayo, gano'n tayo, how much do we desire learning? You have to desire to learn. It should be coming from your heart. Dapat desire mo siya. Alright? And last, I always explore. And I always wanted to learn something new. Do something new. Dapat may bago akong ginagawa. Nainip ako Nainip ako ng yun lang din. Diba? So, meron tayong ginagawa na pang-permanent. Like, being a speaker, pang-permanent na yan. Being a coach, permanent na sa buhay ko yan. Being business consultant, permanent na yan. Vlogging, permanent na yan. So, yan na, lahat na, yung mga sinabi ko na yan, habang buhay ko na yan gagawin. Okay? But now, I'm venturing into other things. Nag-explore ako, ano pang pwedeng gawin? Diba? Ano pang pwedeng venture ang pwede natin gawin? Partnership ba yan? Or other business partnership? Business, naglaro tayo sabi nga lang, kagabi may napanood ako, sabi niya, you come to your office and play game. In your business, you play game. You strategize, you try this, try that. So, ayun yung ginagawa natin sa business natin. Okay? May mga business tayong sinusubukan, meron tayong pinapa-explore, something like that. So, you keep on exploring. May mga bagay na permanent mo nang ginagawa because that's your source of income, steady source of income mo na yun. Okay? So, dagdagan mo na lang na something na explore mo. Okay? That can make you happy, can make you excited, and can help more people. Alright? So, yan yung mga 5 traits or skills ni Doc G that kill. Okay? So, when you say that kill, that means that, that succeed, di ba? Nagtagumpay, that makes me, increase my brand. So, same with you. If you have skill na tingin mo, it will kill, go launch it. You do it. Alright? Okay? So, kung, Doc, hindi ko alam kung paano kung ma-discover lahat ng yan. Gusto ko magkaroon ng business. May business ako, pero I don't think nag-exist yan sa akin. I can help you. I can be your mentor. Okay? And, by the way, ginagawa na natin ngayon ang ating second e-course, how to start a scalable business. Message ka lang if you want to avail for my 50% discount. 3,500 pesos po yan. So, ginagawa na natin. Hindi pa tapos, binibenta na ito. Just like Bill Gates, di ba? Ganun talaga para matapos ko siya. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat maibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabagot muna dating buhay. Thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah? Let's go, let's go.